Ever wondered how traders predict explosive moves before they happen? In today's video, I'm breaking down a real chart using pure price action, support and resistance, and one simple trend line. No indicators, just raw, clean market structure. Let's dive in. First, we are going to be identifying the trend. Remember, always trade in line with the trend. So if you were to look at our chart here, we're having this explosive move happening here. So if you were not able to identify this explosive move before it happened in this zone, you wait for this one, for this other explosive move to the upside. So by looking at these moves here, we shall be getting our uptrend. You're seeing that the market gives us a rally here, and it is creating a higher high, and then it is pulling back to this zone, creating a lower high. After giving us this lower high, it is giving us another explosive move to the upside, creating a new high. So generally we are seeing that the market is in an uptrend. So right now here we are having our pullback. Here, and our pullback is going to be represented by this simple trend line that I'm going to draw here. That is this trend line is going to be representing our pullback, and then we are going to see that this is our support zone. Around that zone we shall draw it there. So you're having here support, then here you're seeing that on this level here we are seeing rejections, that sellers are trying to push the market to the downside, but then we're having this big rejection here. So that tells us that this is a very strong zone, and sellers are failing to break through this level to continue to the downside. So after identifying our support zone, our simple trend line representing our pullback there, we are going to wait for a breakout of that zone. If we get a breakout of that zone, that will indicate that buyers are in control. They have given us our end of pullback. We shall be able to wait for another explosive move to the upside. So by having this breakout, you're seeing that this candle is a momentum. It has broken out of our simple trend line, and that is telling us that our pullback has ended. So the buyers are in control and they are ready to push the market to the upside. So we shall be able to take our buys on the closure of this candle, and our stop loss is going to be below the support zone, and then you can aim for the previous higher high that was created as your take profit. Remember, we have been using price action, support and resistance, and simple trend line. If you want more of these concepts, check out our course. Link will be dropped in the description if you want to level up your trading game. So let us see how this setup played out. So by having those factors, you'll be able to get those explosive moves either to the upside or to the downside. If you've enjoyed the video, comment price action master in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Remember to be a best trader.